Hello, my name is Shannon McCarthy and I'm the Season 12 representative of VOTV. I'm doing All Stars so I can relive my VOTV experience from Season 12, and the bit I'm looking forward to the most is Halloween week and being able to perform regularly again.
You've got a second chance, you could go home, escape it all, it's just irrelevant. It's just medicine. It's just medicine.
I'm Shannon McCarthy and I'm a VOTV All-Star.